Hello, everybody. I'm coming today with a Wednesday, rainy day, pick a card reading. I was in the mood, so there must be a message for the collective. What I'm shuffling now is some astrology cards. And again, we're going to do a pick a card. So you can see those. We're going to create a stack here. Then one more. Oh, sorry, did that one. Well, if I haven't said it, welcome to In Design Mode. My name is Sarai, and again, I'm in the mood to do a rainy day in Georgia Wednesday pick a card. So yeah, we're gonna see what message wants to come through. Many. All right. This is how I'm going to pick them. Or pull them. Okay, so all right. We have 1, 2, 3. That's stack 1, stack 2, stack 3. Or for me, it's left, center, and right. So pause if you have to, see which stack is speaking to you, and then come back and we're going to pull cards. All right. Stack number 1. It's fixed sign. It's going to talk about stability, persistence, loyalty, and dependability. So if you're in Taurus, Capricorn, Scorpio, and Aquarius. Aquarius, originality, philanthropy, progressive imaging. So this might be for our Aquarius out there, or someone has strong Aquarius in their chart. And the fire element, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, confidence, optimism, passion, and bravery. You can see that. All right, I'm gonna put 2 middle and 2 to the side. And let's see what else we have for our fixed. Heal the ouch. Heal the ouch. Let's see what that means real quick. This is coming from the Enchanted Map from Colette Baron Reed. Heal the ouch. Forgiveness is the healer of the soul. This is a time for great soothing of the heart, body, soul, and mind, as this card indicates that healing will be prevalent in your life now. If you feel drawn to study the healing arts, you'll be successful in developing your natural capacity to restore others to wellness. However, this message may be that you're being called to change your behavior in order to heal the earth. Perhaps you'll switch to a cruelty-free diet, eating less meat, or perhaps you'll pay more attention to how much water or electricity you use. You're also to be conscious of your footprint on the sacred earth and all of life, and to commit to the healing path. The healing the ouch, the heal the ouch card may also an indicator of old wounds and broken bonds being mended. Reconciliations are possible. Let bygones be bygones. And you probably have a hard time with that because usually fixed signs can be stubborn. Follow through. Yes. So someone out here is being stubborn. It's time to heal. It's time to get over that issue you had with someone, or that issue you had with something, somebody, whether work, home, and you're holding a grudge. And it's time to heal. It's time to move forward. Let's see what we can clarify. You know, any side can be stubborn, but I'm sure that spirit is bringing forth the fixed card, because fixed have a tendency to kind of be set in their ways. Once they believe something is right, or something is how they see it, like right and how they see it, it's hard for them to change their mind. They will dig their heels in. So you don't have to be a fixed sign to be stubborn. But so, you know, you might not be a fixed sign. This may resonate with you, is what I'm trying to say. Let's see what message spirit has. Let's see what you want. What is this about? Let's see. What is this about? I hate when it's a bunch of them. Let's see. What is this about? All right, this is about money. This is so somebody has probably came to you with an opportunity, a new opportunity, brought you a message of a new, opportunity that can make you some money, or it could be a new job, a new career. That will, again, here's, we see the earth here. I'm sorry, let me do this. We have Page of Pentacles. This is that messenger that's bringing that opportunity. You have the Empress, and that's where you see the earth. So you could be working with something that has to do with the environment, or you just may be a creative person anyway that births great ideas and um, yeah, great creativity, great ideas. I see something like that. And then you have the Knight of Pentacles. And you have in a situation that either, because you have follow through right here, either you've gotten this information for a new job or a new financial opportunity. Um, you've done, you either began to work on it, began to do some creating on it, and things are moving slow. Um, Chances are there's probably been a conflict because of that, where you now saying, well, I'm not going to finish this. I'm not going to, um, I'm not going to do this. And you're probably ready to just burn this whole thing down. And what I'm seeing here is now is not the time to burn it down. This Knight of Pentacles is letting me know what you're putting out there is coming. It's just, it is going to come slowly. So the Knight of Pentacles is the slowest of all the knights. And I always comment how he is walking opposed to riding the horse. But he's going to make it to his destination, and he's going to come with all these coins that are behind him because they're following him as well. But they're not going to go ahead of him. They're going to stay behind him. So as fast as he walks, as fast as they come, as slow as he walks, as slow as they come. So I'm really getting that you probably are going through a real conflict with a job project, and maybe you're freelance or something, and you probably have either put some work out there, some creative work out there, or you on the verge of doing so, but there's been a conflict that has come up where it's gonna be some healing that needs to happen, some new understanding coming from all parties. But if you can stick with this, it will be a win-win. And I feel like at the end of the day, you'll get your money or whatever the resolve to this outcome. I mean, you will get a positive outcome from it. Whatever the payment is, whether it's money, whether you bartered something, I just don't want to assume, but I just know that you're probably thinking you don't really think you're going to get what you were promised. And if you can go ahead and have this conversation, um, let somebody know what you're feeling and what's going on, so y'all can get back on the same page. You'll be back on the trail again to getting what is due to you. All right, so that's for those people who chose card number 1. So here we go. Stack number 2, you chose Aquarius. Aquarius comes with unexpected visitors. I don't know if Aquarius like that. Let's see what the book says. Unexpected visitors. If you expect the unexpected, you'll be prepared for a miracle. Now, I will say that before I get to reading this, Aquarius is ruled by Uranus. Uranus comes with lightning strikes, instability, unexpectedness. So just let's see what else is going to say. Detours, surprises, paradigm shifts. Expect the unexpected. No matter how derailed your plans are and how clear you believe the road ahead to be, there are times when the best plans are waylaid by unforeseen circumstances. At first, detours may seem inconvenient, but a surprise turn of events signals that the adventure of life is beginning to get interesting. No one can plan the synchronicities for fate and destiny to meet except spirit. Who knows what you can't comprehend? Who knows what you can't comprehend for now? Life is full of surprises, so stay on your toes and enjoy this exciting new adventure you weren't expecting. There is a plan for your life that may not match up with your agenda. I'm trying to say it like, is this applying to me? no, no, it's not though. So yeah, being ruled by Uranus, that's how Aquarius can stay, um, I guess, different from the rest. Um, they have a sense of individuality that they actually thrive with. And because they're able to, how do I want to say, ride the wave, I guess, a little bit. Um, they're able to flow with some of this instability and see. But if you're not an Aquarius, um, this instability may make you just feel off kilter. It's almost, the instability is like a limbo. You don't know what's coming tomorrow, what's coming in the next 5 minutes. And according to this, just ride the wave because it's going to be good at the end. You are the light. Yes. Ride the wave, follow your light, and just see what the end is going to be. Because you've probably planned, and let me go back because I said Aquarius is ruled by Uranus, and they are, but they also ruled by Saturn. So with that, you probably have best laid plans. And like I said, you don't have to push your one away for a moment. So let me say, even if I said that Uranus rules Aquarius, but it's also ruled by um, Saturn. So with that, even if you're not an Aquarius, what I'm saying is you probably have made plans, a to-do list of what you want to happen. We're gonna find out what's going to happen, but of what you want to happen in the future. And you're getting a message today to don't don't worry about the list. It's good to have one, so you have something there to feel like you have a footing on, but don't get so detached from the how it's going to happen. It's really what it is. Detach from how things are going to happen. You can write down what you want to happen, but let spirit handle how it's going to happen, because chances are how it's going to happen is going to supersede what you've planned. um yeah, and you are the light, so you pay attention to that light that shines within. It's going to help you navigate some of these unexpected waters. But I will, yeah, it's going to help you navigate. I just need to know what we're going to talk about before I finish. Hold on, let's see what the cards say. Okay. Now this may have to do with a relationship. Um, you don't know where it's going. You see, like you have the Six of Swords, the Page of Cups, and the Four of Pentacles. So this is probably a relationship. You've already did some sort of healing and have gotten yourself back to shore mentally on probably a past pain, past hurt that you've had with a relationship. And then here's this new relationship peaking. Someone is showing interest. someone is noticing you and letting you know that they notice you, and you're probably are very hesitant. You're holding back. Again, you don't know where this is going. You don't know how this is going to work out. And it's really saying that expect some unexpectedness, like expect some things to be different than what you were used to before. Remember, you have healed, so you're in a new place. Um, Chances are you're calling in someone else that matches your new energy. So I'm not gonna say just like free fall, and I don't believe that's what's on the board here for you to just like forget about your boundaries or what have you. But don't be so scared. You see her peeking out. Don't be so scared. Don't clutch too hard. Um, get to see exactly who this person is. Um, their unexpectedness might be exactly what you need. Like not their unexpected, their difference, different than you. They are different than what you are used to, and that might be exactly what you need. Um, yeah. So again, this is probably a relationship. Someone is new is coming in. They've in your mind, you probably think they're too good to be true. They're kind of like saying all the right things that you were not used to. But remember, you've healed from that. You've healed from that. What I'm saying is go ahead and give the person a chance. If it's just having conversation, keeping the communication to see who they really are. Because I'm all for, I guess, protecting yourself, but you don't want to hold back so much that a good opportunity might be missed. So I hope that helps someone. Because I think it's if you can like really get you've gotten over the past, but if you really can get beyond the past and look at this person as a brand new person and not another one from the past, then I believe you would understand what I mean by um, this can be on the verge of a good thing. And this person is probably spontaneous. He adventurous and spontaneous and like to do things, and you're probably not used to that. But take your time going into it. But like it says, like be open to some of um, the unexpectedness this person can bring. That spontaneity is the word that this person can bring. It may set you all a good path. So, all right, that is the middle card. Let's get the last one out here. We have the fighter card, confident, optimism, passion, bravery. And we have goblins and befriend the word polarize. Just to make sure y'all can see what I see. I think we looked at this one before. Goblin. Fear is an illusion. Choose love today. Forgive yourself and others. Goblins are born when you're wounded and something essential is lost in the experience. From that point on, as you forget your wholeness, they remain with you in the shadows. There, they remind you of what brought them into being by mimicking your own voice, tricking you into believing that you're unworthy, victimized, or unlovable. They hold you hostage through your low self esteem, low self sabotage, and feeling that you're lacking what you need. If goblins pay you a visit, know that they represent the shadow of your own self or someone else's, and that they're leading you into a potentially reactive situation. A goblin's card appears is an opportunity for growth, however, and a signal that you must love yourself. No human is without flaws. The goblin's message is that you must release resentment and negative self-talk. Within you, within you is the spark of the divine. Ask spirit to help heal you. Miracles can and do happen. Let go of the negativity. I want to check this out with befriend the word polarize. Uh, trying to. It says display of your inner truth, bravery to share your personal flavor and your true opinions, movement towards a goal, opposing forces, transition, growth, taking a stand, personal empowerment. Okay. All right. So, first thing I'm thinking is somebody wants their passion and their fire back. They've had some pain in the past that feels like it has taken from them, and they want they want it to stop. They want their passion back. They want the goblins to get out of their ear. They want to stand on their truth, and yeah, let's see what this is about. They want their confidence back, their passion, their bravery to stand up for what they believe in. And chances are, in the past, growing up, I feel like goblins too, like this is some inner child things, some messages that you got as a child that is playing out as an adult. And you can feel the passion within, but it's hard for you to convey it, because you keep hearing those messages on repeat in your head. Let's see what we have. Oh, yeah, you're holding back. Um, you had, like I said, you had that passion, that drive, that fight, that inner get up and let's go get this. Let's live life, not just be alive, but we just living life, our best life. We out here. And then something happened, something occurred that made you feel, sorry, I keep doing this. You have Knight of Wands, you have Five of Pentacles, and you have Four of Pentacles again. Something happened and it made you feel like you had been kicked out. Like you didn't deserve to be a part of the group anymore. You may have felt like you said or did something and you were pretty much ostracized, left out. And pentacles usually can be tangible or money or anything tangible. So chances things might have been taken from you. Money may have been taken from you. You may have lost some things. Yeah, because I'm feeling like some people think that they may have partied too much and made some bad decisions and lost some things from it. And yeah, lost some things, some tangible things. You could have lost a car, lost a home, lost a job, just was kind of kicked out like of a situation. that 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 was that what am I trying to say? It affected your income. And you've learned your lesson. You've gotten it where you now are more responsible, but yet you still have lacked the confidence to be able to, because you still feel this stuff. You feel that stuff on the inside. But because those messages keep coming to you over and over, it has you holding back again. It has you now you're not really living. You're scared to like voice yourself. You're scared to have that passion, that fire, that confidence, because you're afraid this is going to happen all over again. And it won't. You're more mature now. Because yeah, you're more mature now. You've learned some lessons. You yeah. And here's the thing. I always see this key out here. I always see this key. And with this key, even though you were kicked out, lost some things, there was always a key here to get it back a long time ago. So the difference is now you know that. Now you know if something happens and something is taken away, you will be okay. And it won't happen the same way it did before because you have matured, you've learned, but you'll be okay because you realize there's always a key to get it back again. Um, there's a key to go back in the door, to get it back into that door where you can acquire what you need. You know, those things, those tangible things that you lost, you can acquire it again. You just may have to work harder for it. Um, so yeah, go ahead, let go of the past. Um, take control of those goblins that's talking in your head, just going. Take control of them and allow yourself to speak your truth and possess, and gain back your confidence and your self-worth. Um, you're not going to self-sabotage it. I really feel like you have grown and you probably have learned how to balance having a very good time and keeping it responsible as well. But you also know that nothing can really be taken from you in a sense. Um, things sometimes have to be let go for something new to come in, but nothing can really be taken from you in a sense because there's always a key to get in that door. You're not left out in the cold like you think. You just got your head down, looking at all your woes instead of lifting it up to see where the opportunity is to get back on your feet. So, well, that concludes my rainy Wednesday pick a card reading. I hope it helped someone. If you stuck around this long and you listened to all three, thank you. I may do this again next week or this weekend. I knew there was a message, and hopefully, whoever needed this message did receive it. And yes, you all take care, and I will be back with you soon. Bye.